survival skills he learned in prison.
Ready?
Has a portable
Go get it.
to monitor police activity. He hopes to get a warning if the cops move into his area.
Wait, it's so stressful. It was more stressful than even doing the time.
Ready? Good kitty. Good kitty.
You can't go to sleep sound because you gotta keep your ears open.
You want to do it again?
You gotta use your nose.
Come on. Ready? Ready? Go get it. Go get it. Come on, Betty. Good kitty. Oh. Come on.
Brown wants to move
Bring it here.
40 miles north to the small town of
Come on. Oh. Good kitty. Good kitty.
Traveling through the woods under cover of darkness.
Ready?
To avoid detection. He's careful not to use a
Ready?
flashlight
Ready?
when moving near
Go get it.
areas.
Go get it.
We caught it night. The night vision stuff they didn't have.
Good cat. Good kitty. All right, one more time. One more time. Go get it.
Brown makes it to the Statesville area and sets up his tent outside.
Come on, Betty. Come on.
He feels relatively safe in the woods, but as winter approaches,
Come on. Let me see.
time for a change.
Bring it over here.
He can become depressed.
Bring it over here.
Sitting there, so much.
Human nature. You can only stay for so long. You've got to have contact. You've got to have food, shelter at some point.
Bring it up here, Betty.
Brown didn't break out of prison just to make friends. He wants to get back in the drug game and make some fast money.